Heritage Christian School San Diego Robotics Club allows budding young programmers and just fans of robots the chance to get together, geek out a little bit, and develop skills that'll help them later.
It's a lot of building and working with code and collaboration.
It's fun to get together with other people and be able to do things.
Well, it's also a great way to meet friends because you also have to partner up to build and program and problem solve.
There's a lot of challenges that come just because of something is programmed and supposed to go a certain way.
It was a very humbling experience, and then learning all the things that have to go into a piece of code to make something happen.
Obviously, you're not going to know everything at the start, and even if you do know what you're doing, you're always going to get stuck.
There's certain obstacles that they have to overcome.
It can give you a glimpse of the complexity that God put out.
When I first joined robotics, I didn't know much about coding, and now I can go on to Scratch and start a program, and it works.
It's just fun to build Legos with other people.
Definitely a creative outlet.
It's a lot of fun.